Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Tesla. This four-door sedan has a two-cylinder engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Tesla is a great value with less than 27,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 124 miles per gallon in the city, and 116 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.